Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to share Google Drive files and folders. So let's get started. For this, you'll need a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. So once you start the browser, you need to sign in with your Gmail account. I've already logged in with my Gmail account, so I'll click on Google Apps and select this Google Drive icon. So this is the home page for Google Drive. I'll select on My Drive. I have some files and folders already created. You can also create a folder by doing a right click, new folder. Okay. So we'll see inside this pictures folder is empty. Okay. We'll upload a file first. I'll do a right click, file upload. I have a sample robot image AI generated. So I'll just upload that image. So now you can see one upload complete. Robot.jpg file is uploaded. Let's see. So this is an image. I'll just close this. Now, if I want to share this image with others, so what are the options available? You need to click on these three dots, then select share, then click on share. You'll get this menu. Okay. Now, before sharing, you'll need to understand what are the features available. One is the general share. Okay. General share, if you click over here in this drop down, there are two options. One is restricted and anyone with the link. Right now, this file is secured, uploaded to the Google Drive, but no one other than me will be able to access this file at this time. Okay. Now suppose if you want to share this file with someone, you need to select this, click on anyone with the link. Okay. Now if you select this anyone with the link, you will get a copy link option. Okay. You can copy this link, and over here there is an option which type of access you want to provide. So any person with this link, okay, will be able to access this content, like this image will be able to access by that person. Now depending upon the access which you have provided, so if you select over here in drop down, there are different roles. Okay, viewer, commenter and editor. If you provide editor role, the person with the URL will be able to delete that image as well or share it with someone else. Okay, so if you provide only viewer access, so the person will only able to see and download but not modify the content. Okay, so I'll keep it as a viewer over here. Now if you click over here in settings, okay, it will provide you better understanding about editors. Okay, if you provide editor role, what it can do, editors can change permission and share. Okay, if you provide that link with the editor role, any person with that link can modify and change permissions and share it. Okay, if you provide viewer and commenters, what they can do, they can see the options to download, print and copy. Okay, so we'll go back. So this is the normal sharing. I'll just copy this link. We have provided role of viewer for this, anyone with the link. I'll click on done. Okay, now let me open another web browser to check. Okay, I'll just type Edge and open. Okay, in the search bar, I'll just paste the drive link and hit enter. Okay, I have not signed in with any account on this Edge web browser, but I'm able to see the image. Okay, what are options do I get? I can print this image, I can download. Okay, I've clicked on download, so you can see this image has got downloaded. Okay, what else I can do? There is a sign in option and three dots which provides the details about it. Okay, if you want to embed, you can embed it. Only this much options are there. So this way you can share the file or the folder with someone, okay, by making a general link and providing the access, specific role access. Okay, now let's go back. Now let's see another way how you can keep control, okay, of your files and folders. How to share it? Click on more actions, click on share, and click on share again. You will get this menu. Now I'll remove the general access. I don't want everyone with this link to able to access. I just want to provide few people, like 4 5 persons. I just want to provide only them access to this file. In that case, what you need to do, I'll just you just need to make this restricted general access. Okay, so general access is removed now. Over here, you need to type the email ID of the person with whom you want to provide access to this file. Okay, in our case, I'll just type my own email ID, Rishi Labs. Okay, so you need to include a valid email ID. You can enter multiple email IDs if you want. Okay, now this dialog box give you an option to notify people. If I want, I can just type message over here. Hi Rishi, please find attached file. I can type. Okay, so this will be sent as an email to the recipient. Okay, the email address which I've entered. Over here you also get the copy link. You can copy the link and share in this and paste. Okay, then what access you want this person to have, I'll select the viewer. Okay, suppose I've created this and I've uploaded some files and I want to remain admin of it. So I should select viewer. So the other person should able to only view and download, but they should not make any change to it or modify those files on the Google Drive. So in that case, you to make sure you only provide viewer access. Okay, and click on send. So this is going to send an email update to the recipient with the message which we have typed. Okay, so that's how you can share the file with a limited number of persons, or you can make a general shareable link of that file and folder and you can share with the users. Okay, similar process you can apply for the folder as well. If I go back to my drive, in this is a folder, and if I want to share it with someone, and I can click on these three dots, share, click on share menu. Okay, similar dialog box is there, similar activity you can perform to share this folder as well. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.